counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, man.
The place to get love, and I never let his mom move to LA, knowing she couldn't take the pressure.
What it do, man? We in here today. Got the guys with me. Got the guys with me, man. Finna take them to the vet. First time taking both at one time, man. Finna see how this gonna go. They good though. They just be hyper. They just be hyper, man. We gotta go on the other side of town. We gotta be there at 2:30. I don't know how traffic is. It's just now 1:50, so we finna do good timing. It'll take about 25 minutes to get out there. Good 25, 27 minutes. Let's see how this gonna go. Got both of their leashes though. I ain't finna let both of them jump out without their leash. No sir. Y'all see them back there? Should be to miss most of the traffic, especially coming back. Especially coming back, man. Hopefully they'll lay down in a minute. I ain't even recorded, man. So busy trying to get them ready to leave, man. I'm getting boss lady windshield put in, man. Let me tell her to record it. Turn my phone sideways and record it, man. You ain't got your kids up yet, have you? Do me a favor, go out there and record, dude. Hold your phone sideways, put it on 0.5. Yeah, and just recording, you know, about a minute or so, just walking around on the east side, just to show, because I was just recording for YouTube. And I ain't even recording when he was doing it. I need some footage. Yeah, boss lady finna get that footage, man. Couple minutes, so y'all can see how Christy Auto Glass be taking care of me, man. They mobile, they'll pull up on you. You call and make the appointment, man, they gonna pull up on you. They take cash, check, debit card, credit card, cash out, different forms of payment, man, and they prices, some of the best prices in the city, man. And customer service is good, man. I've been dealing with them for a while. I got a windshield put in here. I done had several rock repairs did. They did another windshield for me too. Paris car. They did Paris car. Something else. They didn't do the Lexus. I know I've been dealing with them for a minute, man. But they always take care of me. Christie's Christie's Auto Glass, man. So we finna head on out here. When I get back, I gotta do a few things around the yard. I ain't got a whole lot going on. Man. Today, far as documenting, far as vlogging. There go that footage. That boy working too, boy. Come here, Cody. Come here, Cody. Dude, there, man. Gizmo, chill out, man. Sit. Shut up. Sit. You ain't that excited to get to the vet, man. Shut up. Man. Chill out. Man, we up out of there, man. God, dog. Woo. Man, when I say work my nerves, that damn man. God, dog, man. You see a dog? You see a dog? You see him? Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Boy, swear they some Cane Corso, boy, especially him. No, that little one think he tough. That little one to bite something though. That little one was, he'll jack. He'll jack before the big one will. Jump back across town, man, before all this traffic hit. Yeah, man, he said Gizmo got in his left eye, he got some cornea damage. In his right eye, man, he got a little cataract in the junk. So let's keep an eye on it. Hope it don't get no worse, man. Always something with these boys of mine. Say that though, man. They pretty good far as health wise. I don't really have no problem with them. Real talk. I ain't even gonna say that. I ain't gonna say it's always something. Because we really done had a good run. Good run, man. No big problem, man. Thank God for that. Yeah. He said if that cataract get bad, man, it can be an expensive surgery if we wanna try and like save it if it get real bad and try to save it, you know, get it out of there. Man, he said that can be a $5,000 surgery, man. Woo! That's when you gotta lay your options on the line. You gotta really look at your options, man. You gotta look at your options, boy. $5,000 one surgery, man. Man. We'll see though. Hope it don't get no worse. See, it's cool the way it is. And we can still get a second opinion too. We can get a second opinion because we got a second vet that we use. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get him a second opinion on that. They might do surgery out there. A little cheaper, way cheaper price. I got the Codie eye. He had a what you called it? A cherry eye. He had a cherry eye. I got it removed at the other bit for a fraction of the cost. It would have took me I would have paid at a specialist. But this vet right here, this our vet we've been. This the vet we've been using since both of them were puppies, you know what I'm saying? But it's another vet I go to like for emergencies. When Codie had that cherry eye, this vet right here, he don't do no surgeries. But over there at the other one, they do surgeries over there. And man, I had called a specialist. Man, specialist talking about like $2,500 or something to remove the cherry eye. I'm like, man, hell no. Shout out to the homie Richard, man. Richard told me about the other vet over there. They only do walk-ins. It's like a community vet type of thing. Man, took them over there, real nice, real clean place. You know, man, they took care of us, man. They took care of us. And I think I ain't paid nothing with the surgery, the little medicines I had to get, everything. One number like probably $300 something or something like that. So I'm definitely gonna get a second opinion. I'm gonna tell my wife I'm gonna go ahead and probably take him next week. Take him out there next week, man. Gotta save them eyes, man. That's one thing about them dogs, them big eyes and stuff. Your Frenchies, your Boston Terriers, your Pugs and stuff like that. They tend to have eye problems, man. They can't have eye problems. Yeah. So y'all keep it locked, man. We on our way to the crib. Look like traffic flowing pretty good. I hope it stay this way. I hope it stay this way, man. Keep it locked. Alright. Yeah, man. Just like new. Just like new, boy. Just like new. No, they put the tape on there, man. You leave the tape on there about, I think they say leave that on about 3-4 days. Yes, sir. Put everything back like it's supposed to be. No cracks, baby. No cracks, baby. Cause you know I had to leave, take the board, but you know they leave you. He left my ticket right there. Rearview mirror. Back where it's supposed to be. Her little decoration dangling off of it. He put the sticker back. Everything back like it was. And I'm gonna ask her, do she want, cause the old windshield when I bought the car, it had a what you call it? An eyebrow. I think they call it an eyebrow, you know, a strip, a tint strip right here. I'm gonna ask her, do she want it? If she don't want it, you know, I ain't gonna worry about it. Yes, sir. lights. Number the seat belt light, man. Just got 138,000 miles. I'm gonna have to do a when Paris come home. She come home this weekend. We got to do a odometer check, man. And that's what it called, odometer. We're gonna do a odometer check on all my rides, man. Excuse me. We're gonna do a odometer check. Yes, sir. I gotta make a video just for that, man. But yeah, ball lady. Looking good. No cracks, man. No cracks. You know, older you get, you know. Like I said, this one of her anniversary presents, man. I got her this. Something else small. Like I bought her that bike. Cause she was about to pay for her own bike, man. I said, nah, I got it, baby. It's one of your anniversary presents. So I got her the bike. Then she don't know I'm gonna give her some bread too, though. She ain't even expecting that. I'm gonna give her some bread on that day. Go get her card and some flowers. You know, her and Paris love flowers. Yep. Gotta get my boy to. Gotta get my boy to go ahead and check this rearview mirror out, man, because this rearview mirror ain't. Yeah, the rearview mirror ain't working. Rearview camera, I mean, it ain't working, man. So just a little update on the backyard since we out here. My guy who working on it, man, he ain't been out here in a few days. He ain't come over the weekend. He said his daughter been in the hospital. So today, Monday, I talked to him last night. He said he'll be here tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow he'll get here, cut that tree down. I honestly don't know with the price we talked about and everything. I don't know if he just cut that down. He gonna leave that there, or he gonna take down the stump too. I doubt it though, cause the price he gave me is so cheap, man. I ain't gonna worry about it. I got some Migos that can come snatch them down. Even if he cut that one down same height, that's cool too. Cause I need them joints gone, man. That's one I'm gonna park my side by side down there, my golf cart down there. One of my other golf cart might drive across, park it behind the shed over there, man. But yeah, we coming along, man. I need to go ahead and send Nigo a picture of that, so they can go on give me a price. They can give me a roundabout price. Yeah. So that's about it, man. That's about it. We out here, baby. Boss lady 2 rides. She in the element. Zeus on the street. Little trailer over here. Big trailer. We got Meg back there, man. Everything's still on the battery tenders. I live by them battery tenders, man. Y'all better get you one. Y'all got anything sitting up? Anything sitting up? I don't have to put one on my golf cart, cause it got a lithium battery. So we ain't gotta keep nothing on that. We ain't gotta keep no charge on that. Charge that lithium battery up, man. It stay charged a long time. So I'm about to go in here and finish editing before I get on live tonight, man. Y'all keep it locked, man. SMH, Chevy boy, much love. Stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. All right.